Hi, good morning everybody. I would like to introduce my student, Mr. Praveen Damji, and he has taken the admission for 10 days course and now he has completed his 9 days. Let's see what he learned in 9 days. Sir, what is your experience about this 10 days course?
It was a very good idea. Since I have worked for in an engineering company, I know little English regarding my business, regarding my works. But it was always in my mind that I am some weak in English. So for getting over that weaknesses, I joined these classes, and it is very good idea that you are running such courses for a small period, because as a retired person I would have not been able to join this class for 3 months 4 months regularly, because now my career is nearly over. I just want to know little bit more English which I may have missed in my life.
Okay, what did you learn in these 10 days?
Yes, it is very good. From initial stage, I was not actually well familiar to use articles, where to use a, where to use and I was just thinking that when a word is starting with vowels, there should be an. But I hear what information that for university we use a, but for umbrella we use an, for uncle we use an.
Okay, what would you like to tell about your all experience altogether?
Okay, it is very nice idea, and your batch timing is also very good. So that in the morning only one can come, he can complete the class, and for the rest of days he can do his other activities.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Good.